Hello, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement, and in this video I will be teaching you that how we can customize tooltip in Microsoft Power BI. So let's get started. I have the data in my Power BI application, and I have just created one column chart, and I just put two fields in that column chart, that is the city, field of city, and the unit price. And when you hover your mouse over any of the field, you can see the tooltip which is in black background, and it shows you two uh, fields, that is city and unit price, which is already present in your column chart. Now what we want, that we want to customize this tooltip. So what you can do is click on this object, and here you can see that there is an option called tooltips on the right side of the screen, and you can add, for example, one more field here. So I am just dragging the region and dropping it into the tooltips. So as soon as I again hover my mouse, so you can see that now the region has been added and it is shown in my tooltip. Similarly, I can play with the tooltips with certain calculations, like I want to see the count in every city of that region. So here it's represent the numbers, right? So this is how you can just add on the required fields in the tooltip area, and you can do the calculations and it will add in your black background tooltips. But sometimes you want to fully customize this tooltip in terms of visualization, right? So in March 2018, Power BI has that functionality, and I will tell you the process that how you can customize the entire tooltip, right? So what we will be doing, that we will add one page, okay, and I'm just renaming it as tooltip. You can write any name, you can give it any name to this page. And the next option will be, so the first step will be, you will just click on this format icon, okay, and then you will expand the page size, and in the type, so let me just zoom this window. So in the page size, in the type, you will just open this drop down menu, and here you can see the tooltip option. Click on this tooltip. All right, so you will see a border around your page, and in the page information, drag this, and by default the tooltip is set to the off in the page information. Click on this to on the tooltip. This is the second step. The third step is go to the view tab, okay, and in the page view you have to click the actual size, because we don't want entire page to be seen on the tooltip. We just need to have tooltip of the actual size. So when we click on that, you will see that the border in a box inside this page. Okay, so we will be creating a tooltip here. So now what we are required, we need to fully customize the tooltip as we want. So I am just dragging the region here, and unit price, and let's say I want to see as a column chart. All right, and also you can customize as you want, as you like, right? Now going to the dashboard again, and I want to customize this tooltip into my just this default tooltip. Okay, this is the default tooltip into my fully entire customized tooltip. So how we can do that, I just click on this object, okay, and now what I will be doing is going to the format area, okay. Now click on the format icon, and here at the bottom you can find the tooltip which is on, and in the page you will have to select the tooltip, okay. Click on that, and that's it. Now let's again hover our cursor. So now you can see that it's automatically changing, and we have just customized our tooltip entirely different. So this is how you can just create a tooltip which whatever you want, okay, and then you can just enable that option of the tooltip and you can just make it very interactive. So I hope you like this technique of how to create the tooltip in Power BI. Thank you.